What's up everybody? So today I'm explaining to you how to grip the bench press. So what I want to do is go ahead and show you right here from the start. I don't want you to be like this guy. Doing what he did will get you hurt, obviously, as you can see from the video. What I am explaining today are the side effects and the negative impact a suicide grip can have on your bench press. For those of you that don't know, a suicide grip is when you grab the bar, thumbs like this, right? I'm going to explain to you today why that is not good, how it is negatively impacting your bench press, and how you should be grabbing the bar. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what does the suicide grip bench look like. The suicide grip bench is when somebody takes their thumbs and wraps them back behind the bar. Now, why don't you want to do that? So unless you are a giant with massive hands, there's always going to be this gap between the fingers and the hand. Now that becomes extremely dangerous whenever, let's say you don't have chalk, your hands are sweaty, you're going for a max bench press. That bar, as you can see from the intro video, can easily slide out and fall down to either your neck or your chest. So what should you do instead? Instead of the suicide grip, this is how you should bench press. I want you taking this thumb, wrapping it around the bar, placing that bar right on the meat of that hand. This will ensure that the bar stays in line with the wrist, in line with the elbow, and you will have maximum neural drive. This will help ensure that you're recruiting maximum muscle fiber activation and lifting the most weight possible for you. So that is why you should not suicide grip your bench press and how you should grip your bench press. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them below in the comments. If not, go ahead and like the video, share it with all your lifting buddies so that way everybody is lifting safely. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and I'll catch you next time. Stay strong.